Our quality control will throughout the entire production process. Each condom will be done electronic inspection. In latex liquid, there are some small bubbles. This bubble is easy to create the defects on condom. We will let each condom tested by high voltage electronic. Electronic inspection will solve two problems. One is finding out condom with a small hole. Second, let the bad quality condom automatically separate from good quality condom. All condom models are metal. Workers put condom on the models. Then high voltage is applied to the model. If current cannot pass, it means the condom is good quality. If be powered on, it means the condom has small holes. The computer will also record what had happened. In this production line, the condom will rolled up and then sent to the packing workshop.